Good morning, children. Welcome to English language class. Today in this tutorial, we will discuss direct and indirect speech for imperative sentences. And children, now we will discuss the rules to convert imperative sentences into indirect speech. Rule number 1 is the reporting verb is changed to order, request or advice. And the rule number 2 is the verb of the reported speech is changed into an infinitive where your infinitive is to plus present form of verb. For example, to go, to eat, etc. Now children, with the help of examples, we will learn in detail about it. Now we will learn how to convert imperative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Now look at the example number 1. The officer said to the soldier, comma, inverted commas start, shoot, full stop, inverted commas close. The officer said to the soldier, reporting verb, shoot, reported speech. Who? The officer, so subject, said, action word, so verb. To whom? The soldier, so object. Children, in these kinds of sentences, comma, inverted commas will change into the word to, where to is your conjunction. Shoot is a command here. So, said to will change into the word commanded. So, our answer will be the officer commanded the soldier to shoot. Full stop. Okay, look at example number 2. She said to Raj, comma, inverted comma start, obey your elders. Full stop, inverted commas close. She said to Raj, reporting verb, obey your elders, reported speech. Who? She, so subject, said, action word, so verb. To whom? Raj, so object. Children, in these kinds of sentences, comma, inverted commas will change into the word to, where to is your conjunction. Children, obey your elders is an advice. So, said to will change into the word advised. So, our answer will be she advised Raj to obey. Children, your is our second person pronoun. And second person pronoun changes according to the object. So what will come in place of your? That is his. So what will come here? To obey his elders. Full stop. Children, now we are going to discuss how to change into direct speech. Look at example number 1. My friend advised me to walk in the morning. Full stop. Children, while changing into direct speech, we cut word to, we put comma, inverted commas. And here our first letter will be capital. My friend advised me. In place of advised, what will come? Said to. So our answer will be, my friend said to me, comma, inverted comma start, walk in the morning. Full stop, inverted commas close. Okay children, let's move on to the next example. He ordered me to turn on the fan. Full stop. Children, while changing into direct speech, we cut word to, we put comma, inverted commas. And here our first letter will be capital. Turn on the fan. It is an order. So in place of order, what will come? Said to. So our answer will be, he said to me, comma, inverted comma start, turn on the fan. Full stop, inverted commas close. Children, now we are going to discuss some more examples. Look at example number 1. The captain said to the soldiers, comma, inverted comma start, Follow the instructions. Full stop, inverted commas close. The captain said to the soldiers, reporting verb. Follow the instructions, reported speech. Who, the captain, so subject. Said, action word, so verb. To whom, the soldiers, so object. Children, in these kinds of sentences, comma, inverted comma will change into the word to, where to is your conjunction. Follow the instructions is a command. So what will come in place of said to? Commanded. So our answer will be the captain commanded the soldiers to follow the instructions full stop. Okay, look at example number 2. Rohan said to me, comma, inverted commas start, please give me a book. Full stop, inverted commas close. Rohan said to me, reporting verb, please give me a book, reported speech. Who, Rohan, so subject. Said, action word, so verb. To whom, me, so object. Children, in these kinds of sentences, we cut comma, inverted commas and we use word to. Please give me a book. It is a request. So what will come in place of said to? Requested. So our answer will be Rohan requested me to give. Children, me is our first person pronoun. And first person pronoun changes according to the subject. So what will come in place of me? Him. To give him a book. Full stop. Okay children, look at example number 3. The teacher advised the students to work hard and be regular. Full stop. Children, while changing into direct speech, we cut word to and we put comma, inverted commas. Children, here our first word letter will be capital. The teacher advised the students. Here, in place of advised, what will come? Said to. So our answer will be the teacher said to the students comma, inverted comma start, work hard and be regular. Full stop, inverted commas close. Okay children, let's move on to the next example. My mother ordered me to shut the door. Full stop. Children, while changing into direct speech, we cut word to, we put comma, inverted commas. And here our first letter will be capital. My mother ordered me. So ordered will change into said to. So our answer will be my mother said to me, comma, inverted comma start, shut the door. Full stop, inverted commas close. Now I hope you all have understood the rules of changing direct speech into indirect and vice versa. Following these rules, do related exercises of chapter direct and indirect speech. Thank you.